interwebs, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got my 2022 Jeep Gladiator Mojave, and we're going to pull off these factory rocker guards and throw on these N-Fab Podium Sidesteps. So we're going to unbox those, throw them on the truck, see how they look. Let's go. All right, so first things first, we've got to unbox the Sidesteps. So I'm going to grab this knife. Over here. Off all these things. All right, so here we go. We got one Sidestep wrapped up in the red, the other Sidestep wrapped up in the clear. We got a box of what I'm assuming is mounting hardware, and a warranty, and hopefully instructions are in here because I'm a nerd and I like to read the instructions. All right, so step one, locate driver's side step row. According to the drawing, that's this one right here. Step two, to install the 6 mounting brackets to each attachment point on the main tube and leave loose for now. So that's these, they've got a little JT on the center brackets. So we'll go find that in this nice little pile of goodies and we'll install those on there. All right, so step 2 here. Note the brackets will attach the backside and mounted flange. There's the carriage bolt facing towards the rear of the step. So come on in here, your pile of bolts. This right here is a carriage bolt. Flat top. You can see the little square underneath, and so that will go right on into here and secure in place. Actually, it'll be facing that way, like so. So we're gonna do that to all 3 on the driver's side here, and then all 3 on the passenger side as well. We're gonna take these brackets and install them just like so. All right, so after step 2, Sidestep should look like this. All of these are just loosely tightened in there so that they can maneuver around when we go to put them on the truck. So, following the instructions, step 3, want to remove the factory running boards and discard. So we're gonna pull those off next. So let's take a look underneath truck and we'll see how many bolts are on here. How are these fastened? Looks like we've got one here, 2 there, and all the way down you can see 3, and 4. So it looks like we've got 4 bolts. I'm gonna guess 9/16. Let's see here. 9/16 is loose. We'll go for a 1/2 inch. Half inch is too small.
Let's try. Get to
All right, so here's 13. Money. There's one. I'll go ahead and remove the rest of them. And then I'll come back. All right, now it looks like once those big bolts are off, we've got, let's see if we can see them. There you go. See that little one right there? Right here. We got about 10 of these. They run all the way down, so pull those off. Next, maybe I should have done this the other way around, but maybe we'll try that on the other side. And they are 10mm.
Go ahead and throw these back in.
All right, so it actually ended up only being 8 of these nuts, along with the 4 bolts holding on this factory rock rail. So now that everything's off, I should just be able to pull it out, drop it down, bring it over here, set it out of the way. All right, so now you can see what it looks like where the rock guard goes. So it's bolted through these pinch welds right here. And so that's what holds it on that way. And then we're also gonna reinstall some of the bolts up into those mounting locations as well. So look at the instructions once more here. Now we're on step 4. I won't read all that, but basically we're gonna take the new side steps and we're gonna put them into place using the hardware that they specify. All right, so everything is in there, just finger tight. I'm gonna go back and we're gonna tighten everything down. Let's see here. So now first we're gonna wanna tighten hardware on the pinch welds, and then we'll do the hardware on the body mount, and then we'll do the main brackets, which we did in the first step. Tighten these down. So it looks like we'll do that last. And I am starting here on the passenger side just because that's how I had the truck parked. Okay, so these bolts that hold on the side step, you've got two. You got the one without the washer and the one with the washer. The one with the washer goes up into the body. The one without goes through the pinch weld with the nut on the other side. So the one that goes through the pinch weld is a 1/2 inch, as well as the nut on the back side. So you need a 1/2 inch socket for the nut, and you'll need a 1/2 inch wrench to hold on the bolt. For the bolts going up into the body, you'll need a 12 millimeter socket to tighten those ones up. I'm gonna go grab a flat wrench. So now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten all that down. First, we're gonna start with the bolts through the pinch weld. Then we're gonna go to the bolts on the underbody. And then lastly, we're gonna do the bolts that attach the brackets to the steps themselves. All right, so I just finished installing the passenger side. See, the whole truck moves, not just the side steps. So nice and solid. They look pretty good. I'm gonna turn the truck around and I'm gonna just run and do the driver's side, and then we'll wrap up the video at the end, see how they look. All right, impact gone. 13 millimeter socket. These bottom bolts off. All right, well, here you go. Both side steps are on. I think they look pretty good. 630. There you go. The N-Fab Podium Sidesteps on a 2022 Jeep Gladiator Mojave. All right, guys, there you have it. N-Fab Podium Sidesteps on a Jeep Gladiator Mojave. Very easy install. Did it just by myself. Only took me, about 2 hours total. And that was with, recording and everything. So simple job. Pull the old ones off, throw the new ones back on. Simple hand tools, you just bolt it. Fairly good design, I think, so far. We'll see how it holds up. Other than that, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, you probably didn't last this long. So thanks to those who are still here. More videos coming in the future as I throw more parts on this thing. So keep an eye out for that, and we will catch you later. Peace.